Hey y'all, it's Carmen, and I'm here, with a messy desk. I'm getting packages out together. Everything's out, and I wanted to show this real quick. This is a Memory Dex entry for Zuly C, and I will have her link in the description box below. I tried something a little bit new. I don't usually layer this much, but I had been wanting to use this lace, and I had hauled it from a D-Stash, and Miss Trina from Trina's Place had gifted me this little awesome embellishment. And Miss Gina had gifted me some of these spiders, and I had some things that, the bling and stuff that I had from my embellishment box swaps. So I pulled some of that out, and I decided to kind of just do a spider theme. So the back is, the front, the paper is spiders. Got spiders galore. It says toxic, a little spider web. It says spook. And then I've got the lace and the tag and spiders everywhere and 3 big jewels. This is not usually how I do things. I usually do a little bit more, cleaner. But I'm working on layering. It's going to take me some time. I don't think layering comes naturally for me. So we'll see how it gets. Probably more die cuts would probably help, but we'll see how that goes. But y'all let me know what you think. I do little layers, but not majorly. And this is a little bit different than what I normally do. But I think it turned out okay. I hope she likes it. And then the back is just a spider paper, and I've got to put my information. But yeah, I'm late coming into the game, so I just found out that earlier, I think it was this week, that she was doing her birthday Halloween Memory Dex challenge. So I wanted to jump in real quick. I knew that I was getting all my packages out today and tomorrow. So I wanted to be sure to get hers out today. So y'all be sure to check her out. Give her some crafty love. If you don't know her, y'all got to know her. You got to go meet her and check out her stuff. I believe she's been around on Instagram, but I think she's just started doing YouTube. You can correct me if I'm wrong, and I apologize if I am. So y'all definitely check her out and give her the support that she deserves, because the girl is talented. But anyway, I thank you so much. I hope y'all have a great weekend. Mine's kind of gloomy and rainy, but that's okay because we've needed this rain so much. I wish you the best always.